Archi Studio by Wallace Architects in Lower Hutt, New Zealand. Prominent artist Jacqui Colley required a studio space to create her often large-scale works of art. Working from home was the ideal solution, so she engaged Wallace Architects to come up with a scheme that would maximize the existing property. Located in Lowry Bay, Wellington, on a north-facing steeply sloped hillside overlooking the bay. The new studio occupies the basement level of an existing 1960s house. This provided a beautiful, secluded space and the opportunity for a new outdoor living area directly off the existing living room. A treehouse typology was adopted to capture the sense of being suspended amongst the tree canopy. The new deck above cantilevers over the studio space below provides an overhang for shade and covered pergolas, at both levels, offering shelter from the rain to either sit and enjoy the views or, in the case of the studio deck, carry out artwork involving chemicals. At the heart of this project is the deep connection Jacqui and her family have with this place, their respect for the trees, the stream, the sea, the wharf, and the birds.